Good morning, everybody. Last time we have to take some numerical problem. So today I will again take some numerical problem because the problem is very important. Generally, problem or numerical problem asked in your examination. So today I will take some MCQ. Number one, which or which of the following is not an example of radioactive substance? You have to give one, here is blank. So student, this type of question must be asked in your examination. Which of the following is not example? Those example you have to given in the problem. Number option A polonium, option B boron, option C radon, option D actinium. So out of this example, one is not example of radioactive substance. So your answer is boron, option B. Second thing, alpha rays are particles. Alpha rays are particles. Option A positive, option B negative, C neutral, and D none of them. So here is alpha rays are blank दिया है particles. Option A positive, option B negative, option C neutral, and D none of these. So our answer A positive. Then third, gamma rays are blank penetrating power. Option A pure, answer here. Option A poor, option B very less, option C very high, and D none of these. So our answer is C, very high. So gamma rays are high penetrating power. Next number, piezoelectric effect is option A reversible, option B irreversible, option C irreversible under high pressure, D none of these. So our answer is reversible. Keep in your mind, because piezoelectric effect is reversible property. Next number, the emission of radiation in radioactivity is option A stimulated, option B spontaneous, option C reversible, option D none of these. So our option is B spontaneous. This is your answer. So you have to take only this answer, keeping your mind. Don't write this answer in fill in the blanks. But you have to only click here. Then double ionized helium atoms are option A alpha particles, option B beta particles, option C gamma particles, option D photon. So our option answer is alpha particles. 7. An observer is moving away from the siren of frequency 350 Hz with a velocity of 150 meter per second. The velocity of sound is 330 meter per second. The frequency of sound heard by N, the observer will be. So this is numerical problem. We have to given for 3 to 4 marks, keeping your mind in your examination, 3 to 4 marks, and then you have to click the answer. So this numerical problem we have to solve on the rough paper to you, or if you know the correct answer of this numerical problem, so you have to click on that answer. So first we have to write those parameters we have to given in the problem, and after formula, and put all these values those you have to given in the problem in the formula and get the answer. So here is our answer is 190.9 Hertz. 190.9 Hertz. This is our answer or option. So again I repeat, an observer is moving away in the sense of 350 Hertz, that is V equal to 150, so that is minus 150 because away from. towards plus 150. So from the siren of the frequency 350 Hz with a velocity of 150 meter per second, the velocity of sound is 330 meter per second. The frequency of sound heard by N, the observer will be. So our answer is 190.9 Hz. The next, a tuning fork vibrates with a frequency of 512 Hz. If the velocity of wave is 330 meter per second, distance traveled in 5 vibration will be 5 vibration. So those answer we have to calculate, that is only one vibration, keep in your mind. But we have to given in the problem, distance traveled in 5 vibration will be. So option A 1.2, option B 3.2, option C 5.2, option D 7.2. So our option B is our answer 3.2. Keep in your mind. So a tuning fork vibrates with a frequency of 512 Hz. If the velocity of wave is 330 meter per second, distance traveled in 5 vibration, keep in your mind. So here is we have to ask distance traveled. Calculate the distance traveled in 5 vibration. So multiply by 5, that your answer, and therefore our answer is 3.2. The 9, penetrating power of alpha particles. Penetrating power of alpha particles is less than, it is time than gamma particles. Penetrating power of alpha particle is less than, it is time than gamma particle. So option A 10, option B 100, option C 1 upon 10,000, option D 1 upon 100. So answer is 1 upon 10,000. 1 upon 10,000, this is our answer. So we can write again, penetrating power of alpha particles is less than, and it is time than gamma particles. So 1 upon 1000. Then 10, time period denoted by, time period denoted by option A TP, option B T, option C A, option D PT. So our answer is T. T with the time period or simply time. Next number, amplitude denoted by. So amplitude denoted by option A capital A, B capital B, option C Z, and option C none of these. Keep in your mind. So our answer is A, option A, amplitude. A be the amplitude. So amplitude denoted by capital A. Keep in your mind. And last, apparent frequency equal to true frequency. So n dash equal to n, B equal to n dash, C equal to both A and B, and D equal to none of these. So our answer A, n dash equal to n. So apparent frequency equal to true frequency. So student, in this way, next MCQ, velocity of observer motion. Velocity of observer motion is V, Vs, Vo and Vm. So this is our option we have to given. And our question, velocity of observer motion is. So our answer option is C, V0. So we can click this answer, V0. V0 is the velocity observer. Next, which are the following application of Doppler effects? Which are the following application of Doppler effects? Number A, flow measurement, B, radar waves, C, speed of distance, star and planet, and D, all of them. Option A, flow measurement, option B, radar waves, option C, speed of distance, star and planet, and option D, all of them. So our answer is all of them, because these all three application of Doppler effect. Keep in your mind. Doppler effect is used flow of measurement, Doppler effect is radar waves, Doppler effect is speed of distance, star and planets, and therefore this is our answer D, all of them, keeping your mind. So which are the following application of Doppler effects? So our answer is all of them. 15. Relation between V, N and lambda. V, N and lambda. V with the velocity, N with the frequency and lambda with the wavelength. So our given option A equal to V equal to N lambda, B N equal to V upon lambda, C both A and B, D none of them. So our answer C both A and B, keeping your mind. So relation between V, N and lambda equal to V equal to N lambda. This we can write in this way, N equal to V upon lambda and C both A and B. Then next number 16, frequency of the ultrasonic wave is. Frequency of ultrasonic wave is option A 20 Hz, option B 20 kHz, option C more than 20 kHz and D 100 kHz. Listen our question. Frequency of ultrasonic wave is 20 Hz, B 20 kHz, C more than 20 kHz and D 100 kHz. So our option answer is more than 20 kHz. So frequency of ultrasonic waves, keeping your mind student, because this question is generally asked in your examination last 2 years. This is simple question, more than 20 kHz. Then full form of sonar is SONAR, sonar. Full form of sonar, option A sound for Navy and Army, B sound notice for radar, C sound navigation and rigging, and D sound of not activated range. So option B sound notice for radar, option A sound for Navy and Army, C sound navigation and rigging, and D sound of not activated range. So our answer C, sound navigation and rigging. Yes, be the sound of navigation and rigging. Sound of navigation, N, and rigging. Sound of navigation and rigging. This is full form of sonar is. Then 18, unit of velocity of wave is. Unit of velocity of wave, meter per second. Keep in your mind. Unit of velocity of wave is meter per second. Student, listen here again. Full form of sonar. Full form of sonar, sound of not activated range. This is our answer, keep in your mind. Sound of not activated range. Because yes, with the sound, then of O, then not A activated and range. So this is our answer, sound of not activated range. This is full form of sonar. Unit of velocity, meter per second. 19, number of oscillation complete in 1 second is time, option A time, option B time period, option C amplitude, and D frequency. So number of oscillation completed in 1 second is called frequency. So our option answer is frequency. Which are the following piezoelectric materials? Number A Rochelle salt, option B quartz, C topaz, and all of them. Which are the following piezoelectric materials? A Rochelle salt, B quartz, and C topaz, D all of them. So our answer is all of them, because this Rochelle salt, quartz, and topaz, this is the example of piezoelectric material. So our answer is all of them. So student, any problem, any doubt, any query you ask me, because we have to complete this chapter 2 or unit 2. So student, today I stop here. Thank you very much.